So today we're doing Heavy Metal Rocks. It's day 3 of our 4-day camp in partnership between the School District of Nanaimo, Ladysmith, Qualicum, and VIU, as well as tons of industry partners.
Today we're out here with VIU, Heavy Metal Rocks. Get to go around 18 different stations with loaders, as you can see here, excavators. Currently trying out a lot of different trades, seeing what I like most, what I want to pursue in my career.
We have, between ourselves and Qualicum, 32 students here participating in the camp this week. So they had a day of industry safety training. They had a day with panel discussions, guest speakers, and now 2 days of hands-on equipment training. 16 stations with a variety of machines, including excavators, loaders, packers, dump trucks, and everything in between.
We're actually surveying the ground, and then he's just rolling in the grader. So what we're doing is we're measuring all the ground around here. We're doing what's called like a topo or topographic survey. And then we're going to actually build a model, a 3D model of what's here. We're going to put it into the grader.
And I was presented with this great opportunity, and I'm having so much fun here. I drove an excavator, and I drove this thing, I forget what it's called. I've learned so much, and I've met so many wonderful people here, and I'm just so happy.
It's a pretty amazing opportunity for these students. Many of them are our trade sampler students that we participate with the CTC. They come to us for 5 months from their home school. They work their way through 10 different trades at VIU over 14 weeks, and then they complete an educational work placement for 3 to 5 weeks, as well as doing their careers 12 with myself. So it's an opportunity for those students in high school to utilize some of those skills that they get within the school system, and then expand it and focus it towards the career and the interests that they have. So this is a pretty amazing opportunity for these students this week.
On the logger. It's the biggest one on the site today, and it's the first one that we got to try. So fun, kind of not intimidating to most people when you first walk up, but once you get in, it's just like a huge claw machine at the arcade. It's
like a video
amazing.
game.
Yeah, you become one with
$900,000 machine.
Crazy,
Yep.
and it's new too. It's super shiny.
Oh,
It was amazing. It was honestly the happiest I have been in high school.
Yeah, I would do it for the rest of my life. It's the best academic decision that we've
Everyone
ever
around me was like, "Yeah, you were just so much happier in the trade sampler and at VIU, just around all of them."
made. So joyful. You make so many connections.
So
'cause
many
you can talk to
connections.
people in every single trade, get their point of view on like how long they've worked in the trades and their experiences, scary stories, everything. There's everything. It's just such a positive environment at VIU, especially in the trade center. It was amazing.
Everybody just wants to help. Everybody just wants you to learn.
Yeah.
Super
Learn
comfortable.
so many things, and it's free.
It's free.